Unlock your financial future, investing with just $100. Ready to ditch the raiment and build wealth? You don't need a fortune to start investing. This guide shows young adults and beginner investors how to make their first $100 work for them. Let's dive in. Most people think investing is only for the wealthy, but that's a myth. Investing is crucial for building long-term financial security, no matter your starting point. Investing allows your money to grow exponentially over time thanks to the power of compounding. The earlier you start, the more significant the impact on your financial future. Don't wait, start now. Inflation erodes the value of your savings over time. Investing can help you outpace inflation and maintain or increase your purchasing power. It's about making your money work harder for you. So, where can you invest your first $100? Here are some beginner-friendly options to consider. Fractional shares. Apps like Robinhood, eToro, and Webull let you buy fractions of expensive stocks like Apple or Tesla. This means you can own a piece of these companies even with a small budget. ETFs, exchange-traded funds, and index funds. These are like baskets of stocks that track a specific index, such as the S&P 500. ETFs offer instant diversification, reducing your risk. High-yield savings accounts. While not technically investing, these accounts offer higher interest rates than traditional savings accounts. It's a safe place to park your money while you learn about investing. Cryptocurrencies. Investing a small amount in Bitcoin or Ethereum could potentially yield high returns. However, cryptocurrencies are volatile, so only invest what you can afford to lose. Peer-to-peer lending. Platforms like Lending Club allow you to lend money to individuals or businesses and earn interest. This can be a good way to diversify your portfolio, but be aware of the risks. Ready to take the plunge? Here's a step-by-step guide to help you get started. Assess your financial situation. Before investing, understand your income, expenses, and debts. Pay off high-interest debt first and build an emergency fund of 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. Choose an investment platform. Research and select an online broker that suits your needs. Consider factors like fees, investment options, and user-friendliness. Popular choices include Robinhood, eToro, and Webull. Open an account. The account opening process is usually straightforward and can be done online. You'll need to provide some personal information and verify your identity. Fund your account. Transfer your $100 to your investment account. Most platforms offer various funding options such as bank transfers and debit cards. Select your investments. Choose one or more of the investment options mentioned earlier. Consider your risk tolerance and investment goals when making your selections. Diversify your portfolio. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your investments across different asset classes to reduce risk. For example, you could invest in an ETF and a high-yield savings account. Consider a recurring investment. Set up a recurring investment plan to automatically invest a fixed amount each month. This helps you build wealth over time without having to think about it. Think long-term. Investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Be patient and don't get discouraged by short-term market fluctuations. Focus on your long-term goals and stay the course. Continuously educate yourself. Stay informed about financial markets and investment strategies. Read books, articles, and follow reputable financial news sources. The more you know, the better equipped you'll be to make informed investment decisions. Before you start investing, keep these important points in mind. Risk. All investments carry some level of risk. Understand the risks associated with each investment option before you invest. Fees. Be aware of the fees charged by your investment platform and the investment products you choose. Fees can eat into your returns, so it's important to keep them low. Taxes. Understand the tax implications of your investments. You may need to pay taxes on capital gains and dividends. Investment advice. The information provided in this guide is for educational purposes only and should not be considered investment advice. Consult with a qualified financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Here are some additional tips to help you succeed as a beginner investor. Take advantage of promotions. Some brokers offer sign-up bonuses or other promotions. Take advantage of these offers to boost your initial investment. Start small. It's okay to start with small amounts and gradually increase your investments as you become more comfortable. Be disciplined. Stick to your investment plan and invest regularly, even when the markets are down. Don't panic sell. When the market goes down, it can be tempting to sell your investments. However, this is often the worst thing you can do. Instead, stay calm and focus on your long-term goals. Reinvest dividends. If your investments pay dividends, reinvest them to buy more shares. This can help you accelerate your wealth building process. Let's say you invest $100 in an ETF that earns an average annual return of 7%. After 30 years, your investment could grow to over $760. This is the power of compounding at work. Even small, consistent investments can add up to significant wealth over time. The key is to start early and stay disciplined. Investing is just one aspect of financial literacy. It's also important to understand budgeting, saving, debt management, and other financial concepts. There are many resources available to help you improve your financial literacy, including books, websites, and online courses. Take advantage of these resources to empower yourself to make informed financial decisions. Many beginner investors are afraid of losing money. While it's true that investments can go down in value, it's important to remember that investing is a long-term game. By diversifying your portfolio and staying disciplined, you can reduce your risk and increase your chances of success. Don't let fear hold you back from achieving your financial goals. Investing with just $100 may seem like a small step, but it's a crucial first step towards financial freedom. By following the tips and strategies outlined in this guide, you can start building wealth and achieving your financial goals. Don't wait any longer. Start your investing journey today. The sooner you start, the more time your money has to grow. Ready to take control of your financial future? Open an investment account with one of the recommended platforms, fund it with your first $100, and start investing in your future today. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more valuable investment tips and financial guidance. Share this with your friends and family to help them start their investing journey too. Let's build a financially secure future together.